Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to hide price if product is not in stock. So this is the simple code. We are using the filter, and by this function, if is admin, so it will return price. Else if it is not in stock, then we are return price, that is what, so return the price. If not, then we are just returning price what we are sending. Okay, so let's copy and paste this in my HP. So here we have WordPress, WP content, themes, where we have the theme, which theme we are using, earrings, themes, it's equal to, it is functions.php, open it, and let's paste it over here. Let's run it and check, make one of the price out of stock. So let's make it this test product not available. So let's go and check the test product, edit product. This is our test product. Okay. So here we are going to make it inventory system to be 0, and okay. So this is done. Let's load this and check. See, the price is hidden and it will say read more, out of stock. So price is not showing over here, right? So this, by running this, writing this code, so you will get the, if the price is out of stock, so it will apply the filters WooCommerce empty price filter. So it will apply the filter WooCommerce empty price filter with the product. So it will, price is empty and it will turn. So it is not in stock, so it will turn the price. In all cases, what the price it is set, it is returning over here, right? So this is how we can do that job. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.